Hello, it is Joshua, the geocaching vlogger, and my trusty dog, Goliath. And we are here for a very special video. It is more like an unboxing video of something that I've been very excited about receiving. Many of you know one of my favorite things to put into geocaches, one of my favorite things to create are path tags. Path tags are little tiny quarter-size swag coins that are made to trade with other geocachers, to put in geocaches. I love giving them to my patrons, and as of recently, because of the tariffs that have been going on in the United States and because path tags actually come from China, the path tag price has kind of increased a little bit. So pathtags.com has come up with a solution, and that is a brand new product called Flashtags. Flashtags are similar to path tags. They are the same size, but they don't have a hole. But the cool thing is that you can print almost any image on them. And path tags typically are a little bit more limited on the image and the design, but you can print exactly what you want. And here's another cool thing. They're made and shipped right here in the USA, which means you get them a lot faster, and they are a tad cheaper. So I decided to take one of my geocaching photos and I ran it through AI, and I came up with a great image for my path tag. And then I put the design very easily into the pathtags.com website, moved it around a little bit, made my selections, and sure enough, in 3 weeks later, I got my flash tags. I'm gonna put you down now, little boy, so I can show them the flash tags, okay? Bye-bye. First of all, one of the really cool things is that it comes in this little container. The path tags were shipped individually in little pieces of plastic, so that's pretty cool. It's a cool place to store them and a cool thing to put in your pocket when you're trading with people. Ooh, ooh la la. Yes, these are fun and they look great. There it is. I got my logo on there. The design is exactly as I sent it, which is very cool. Also on the backside, I got a Vanity Geocaching Vlogger back on it. You too, if you get flash tags, you could get this back as well if you wanted to, but there's lots of backs to choose from. And let me just say, they feel just like coins, and they're great. All right, if you're interested in these, go to pathtags.com and click order now and click the flash tags area, upload your design, and you can create your own little geocaching coin. All right, friends, thank you so much for watching. Now I need to go out geocaching and I need to put some of these flash tags into caches. I'll catch you next time.